Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to fix this Google keeps stopping error on your Android device. So you get a frequent error message in your Android device. Let's see how to fix this. To fix this, what you have to do is you have to go to your settings, phone settings, and then you have to go to apps. Here once you go to apps, just scroll down and go to Google. So once you click on Google, just go to storage. Just scroll down and go to storage. Here you have an option to clear cache. So click on clear cache. After that, you have to go to manage storage and delete or clear the Google search storage. Clear all the data here. So once this is done, you will be redirected to your home page. Once this is done, just restart your Android device and just turn it on. So once you are done with this, you will be seeing that this particular error will not show. Just give a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.